Hi everyone, Alicia here from Stretch It app, and on today's episode of Stretch It Exercises, we cover my favorite stretches for the morning. These are my personal recommendations since you are just starting to get your body moving at the beginning of the day. They are gentle and more therapeutic, and we do hold them for a few breaths at a time. So it's not hardcore and they're not going to be super intense. Just expect something that will feel good, that will help you ease into your body at the beginning of the day so you can begin your day with movement in a more accessible fashion. Reach both arms wide in a T position. With knees bent, carefully lower them to your right. And just allow them to fall as they do. No need to force them lower. They'll stay where they are, but still keep those arms wide and keep that left shoulder on the ground. Take 3 breaths. One more. Carefully rock knees through center and just switch sides in the same gentle fashion. 3 breaths. One more. Knees center, but this time bring soles of feet together, knees wide, and have hands rest on your thighs. If you have extra pillows, you can place them under your thighs for more support. Holding for 4 more breaths. Two. One more. With hands under the thighs, use them to help legs together. And now pull knee in toward your chest. You can let that hip lift a little bit. Taking the knee out and cross. 2 more just like this. One more. And switch. Other side. Holding it in toward your chest. And now open and cross. 2 more. One more. Bring both knees in and carefully rock to one side. Arms follow. Use hands to press. Body up. Cross-legged position, right or left can be in front. Bring right hand overhead and pull that ear down. Sweep left arm high, breath in. Exhale, it floats down. 2 more. One more. Carefully release and switch. Set up the neck stretch first. And now float opposite arm up, breath in. Exhale, sweep it down. 2. One more. Bring head center and place both hands now behind your head. Breath in as you lift, elbows high and wide. Exhale, close them in, but just now pulling chin to chest without hinging forward so you could target the back of your neck. Gaze forward, elbows wide, breath in. Exhale, curl. 2 more. One more. Carefully now lift gaze forward. Sitting back just to open legs in a small V. It doesn't have to be wide. And we rock side to side. And you could use your hands to help shift the weight. And if you like, you can bring pillows under your forearms for more support, just leaning forward. Whether hands are down or forearms are on pillows, gently shift side to side. Almost like you're opening the side of your torso and aiming shoulder to drop outside that thigh. One more each. And just holding center. 5 breaths. 4. 3. 2. 1 more. Walk it in. Bend the knees, soles of feet together. You could place hands behind the hips or reach hands beyond the feet. We stay here 5 breaths. 4. 3. 2. 1 more. Walking hands back, extend left leg out in front of you, step over it with right foot. Sit up as high as you can and wrap with opposite arm, bringing other hand behind you for the rotation. We stay 5 breaths. 3. 1 more. Release to counter twist. Here we have the other side. Extend, step over, wrap with opposite arm. Take that nice rotation. 5 breaths here. 3 more. Last time. Carefully release the counter twist. And come to all fours. Purposefully drop the chest, sink it towards the floor, and now push away to round. Again, sink. And push. 4, 3. And push. 4, 2. And push. 1 more. And push. Flip right hand over, still top of hand is down. Close and open for 3, 2, and 1. Switch. Flip. In and open. 3, 2, and 1. Flip. Have a seat. Hands on the knees. Curl it back. And now dive it forward. Up through your arch. Again, curl back and dive. High and arch. For 2. 1 more. As you sweep up through your arch, lift arms high. Interlace your fingers, push pom-poms up. Release, land the hands on the knees, curl it back. Take a deep breath in as you rock. Exhale, sitting tall to finish. If you would like to improve your flexibility, make sure you check out our app. You can find the link down below in the description box. If you want to see more videos like these on YouTube, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.